log into your Instagram account, then click on edit profile. Click on edit profile and you are going to see a place to add your bio, right? So if you want to add a description of yourself and whatever you do, you can always add that on your bio. So for me, what I do, I create videos on digital productivity. I'm a video editor, a content creator, and also a YouTuber. So if you want to link people to maybe a course of yours, or you want to link them to your YouTube channel, you can always do that on your Instagram bio, right? Like you see most people do on their Instagram bio. So you can add 1 or 2 links on your Instagram bio, right? So after adding your bio, what you do, what you're about, and you want to link people to a YouTube channel or to a course or any other thing, you can always add that. So for me, I'm linking people to my course. So I'm saying learn how to create stunning videos with your smartphone here. So that emoji is linking them to click on the link, right? So first of all, you want to add your bio, right? You want to add your bio, what you're about. Then you have here, you have the option to add links, right? So you simply click on links and you can see I added my course, right? I added the link to my course. You can also add your Facebook link here too, right? So if I want to add my Facebook link, I simply do that, but I don't want to do that, right? I don't want to add my Facebook link. So you can also add, I think you can add you can add up to 3 links on your Instagram profile, right? You can add up to 3 links. So I can also add one more link here, right? So let's add, say, my YouTube channel link. So can always do that. Add your YouTube channel link. Then you can input the title so that people get notified what the link is about. So you can just say YouTube channel, then save. Right. So now I have 3 different links. Okay, I have 2 different links now. Right, so I don't want to add my Facebook link. Yeah, so I have 2 different links that I have added to my Instagram bio. So you just simply go back to check it out, right? Simply go back to check it out. So you just simply check this, and there you go. You can see that. So I'm having 2 links on my Instagram profile. 2 links on my Instagram profile. So I have my seller link and I have my YouTube channel link. So when people come to my profile, they read my bio and they now see, okay, learn how to create stunning videos with your smartphone. Okay, first of all, let's start from the beginning. When people come to my profile and they see creating videos on digital productivity, okay, he's a video editor, he's a content creator, he's a YouTuber, and they continue, learn how to create stunning videos with your smartphone. So they just click here, you can see. So that is a very good way to promote your courses, to promote your YouTube channel, or to promote any other thing you want to promote on your Instagram profile. So if you see that your Instagram profile is also getting a lot of attention, right, and you want to divert people's attention, maybe to your WhatsApp, you want to divert them to your Facebook profile, you want to divert them to, your YouTube channel, you want to divert them to a course that you want them to buy, you can always add the link on your Instagram profile, right? So it is very, very easy to do. Just click on edit profile, add your bio, and add your link, right? So Instagram is a good place to also get high-paying clients, right? Get leads, get people, connect with high-value persons on Instagram. So ensure you are active on your Instagram. Ensure you are posting content consistently, right? Ensure you are posting content consistently on the platform so that you can build your followers, you can build your engagement, and you can also sell to people right on Instagram. So that is the way to go. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of this video, right? So leave a like on the video, feel free to share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, right? Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification icon to get notified when a new video drops. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.